This is a microphone, but when it's with me, I speak up. Happy New Year, a month late, but still, I want to talk to you out there about coaching. You got the best of the bunch, Bill Belichick, Scotty Bowman, Red Auerbach, and even Greg Popovich to name a few. Their dedication for their players led them to championships and recognition. As a gold medal assistant coach, I learned that a coach isn't there just to coach a team. A coach helps a player become a team player. True, there is no I in team, but individual support benefits to a team's success. It's labeled in three ways: confidence, discipline, and understanding. Now, confidence is key for an individual. When a coach praises a player for making the right choice, that boosts up their confidence. Anything negative, it brings it down. If their confidence is down, the player more likely have their heads hanging while sitting on the bench, doubting themselves. It's not worth pitying yourself when you have the whole season to improve. But if the confidence is up, just be sure not to go off the deep end about it. Going overboard with it is being cocky. As for discipline, well, it's easy as well. The player will know if their actions will make the coach content or disappointed. As the time goes on into the season, the players will have mental notes of their coach. Good actions would equal knowing your position on the team. Bad actions would mean you have to think about how you can make it up. The coach can't tell you to keep up the good effort or do push-ups all the time. As the year rolls on, it's up for the players to be aware of themselves and remain in check. Finally, a little math equation for you. When you add confidence and discipline together, at the end of the day, it equals something the player will acknowledge, and that's called understanding. Understanding will give the teammates a lot of experience to pass on to the rest of the team. With great understanding comes team chemistry. With team chemistry comes respect for not only for the team itself, but for the individual player. With all this, the player evolves into a team player. I'll be back every couple of weeks for more of these, so I advise you to tune in, because you'll never know what I'll go off on about until you watch. To my mom, I feel like having lasagna tonight, because what better way is there to enhance my noodle with more noodles? I'm Aaron Sanders reminding you that you got a voice and you need to use it. Speak up!